Okay, guys. So you go to the link I just sent you and click on it. Okay. This will bring you to this file here. You come to this file and you do right click and you do download. Okay. Now this will download the file, okay, you can see it's downloaded here. As soon as it's done, you can click here and say, show it in my folder. And now we can see that the file is here in my downloads. Okay. I take this file to wherever I want. Let's put it under, I'll create a new folder for it. New Asaf question bank. Okay. So now I'm going to copy this file here to Asaf question bank. And here what I do, I stand on it and I do right click with my mouse and I say extract files here. Okay. And now I get a folder and a file here. Now you can remove this file, you can delete it. And now what only thing you need to do is double click this icon, okay? And it will open up for you the question bank for Revision Village, where you need to let it load a bit. You see it takes it a bit time because it's a lot of material. This here, you see descriptive statistics. This is chapter 12. This is what we have for our exam. And the questions you have here, which will show up in a second, here they are. You have your questions. You have here the difficult level. And you have here 10 questions, which are simpler questions. Then you have from question 10, you have moderate level questions. And at the end, you have hard level questions. All in all, you have here 25 questions. You don't need to do all 25, but I recommend you do some of the easy questions, some of the hard questions. Whenever you finish a question, um, okay, you can always go to Mark Scheme and it will give you the result so you can see if you did it correctly. Okay, so this is all. You can now use it for your next test. Good luck. Bye bye.